let's say we just designed or modified this manifold using NetBlok 3D. How can we share it with internal designers and vendors? If these other parties have their own NetBlok 3D subscription or an active MDTools account, we can save the file as a .mbxml. To open the file in NetBlok, we would select Open. Once we have MDTools 900 series up, we can create a new part, select the arrows for more, and import the manifold. In MDTools 700 series, we can create a new part, select Import under the block menu, and import the manifold. Once the manifold is imported, the designer can export it back to an MBXML file by searching in the same place they found import, but selecting Export and saving accordingly. Other designers and vendors can make changes as necessary and continue to use design check tools within MDTools or NetBlok workspaces.